Here's how to bar lace Jordan 4s. Start by taking a hold of your lace, and we're going to feed each lace end down into the two very bottom eyelets on either side from above. So just wiggle that first one through on the left, pop it out of the way, and then wiggle the other lace end down to the very bottom eyelet on the right. And before you pull that through, take your two lace ends together, grab a hold of your Jordans, and just pull that lace, and it'll mean they'll come out of equal length on either side. If yours haven't, don't worry about it. Make sure they're equal before we carry on. Just pause the video. Great. Now we're going to keep a hold of this lace on the right, and we're going to count 3 eyelets up. Bring the lace end up through that third eyelet from the bottom, from underneath this time. So you just want to wiggle that through. Just like that. Then we're going to bring this lace over to the left and down into the third eyelet up from the bottom on this side, from above this time, to create a bar. Then we're going to swap to our other lace and fill in these 2 empty eyelets here. So take this, bring it up through this empty eyelet on the left from underneath. Looking good. And then we're going to bring it down into the same eyelet on the right from above to make another bar. So just find that eyelet and wiggle the lace end through until we have a bar. Nice. Now we're going to repeat that pattern. Bring that lace underneath the bar so it can move around. And we're going to skip an eyelet on this side and instead focus on the one above that. Bring the lace end up through that from underneath. Bring it over the sneaker tongue and down into the corresponding eyelet on the left to make another bar. Now remember, you can play this video on a half speed or pause as much as you need to. There's no rush at all with this. Then we're going to continue by filling in the 2 eyelets here with the other lace. Take hold of the other lace, and on the left hand side, bring that lace end up through that empty eyelet from underneath. Then we're going to bring it over the sneaker tongue and down into the corresponding empty eyelet from above to create another bar. Looking good. Let's repeat that whole pattern again. Bring that lace underneath the above bar so it can move around. We're going to skip an eyelet on the right and instead bring the lace up through the one above that from underneath. Bring it over to the left and down into the corresponding eyelet from above to make a bar. Pop that out of the way. Swap to your other lace, and it's time to fill in these 2 empty eyelets. On the left, bring this lace end up through the empty eyelet from underneath. Bring it over the sneaker tongue and down into that empty eyelet on the right to make another bar. Looking good. Now to finish off our pattern, we're going to do something a little bit different. Keep hold of this lace on the right, bring it under the bar above, and instead of skipping an eyelet this time, we're not going to do that. We're just going to bring it up through the very next empty eyelet from underneath on the right. So you just want to wiggle that round until you get it through. Also get it through the plastic. Bring it up through there from underneath. Then you want to bring it over to the left and down into the corresponding eyelet. So bring it through the plastic first and then down into that eyelet to make your final bar. Then make sure your other lace is up and out the way. You can go ahead and just tie those in a loose knot or a bow and tuck them down inside the sneaker out of the way. They'll sit alongside the side of your foot when you slip your feet in and out, and you won't need to tie them up each time. Repeat on your other sneaker and you'll have an awesome pair of bar lace Jordan 4s. If you found the info in this video helpful, please hit the like button for me to help it reach more people, and consider subscribing for your sneaker lacing content. Thanks guys.